This sculpture is of Roman style because it was created to look like a realistic portrait of a person. This sculpture can be found at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. This fresco is of Roman style because they are paintings of realistic people. Most wealthy Romans had frescoes painted directly onto their walls. It can be found at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. This mosaic is of Roman style because it shows what these Roman gladiators realistically looked like while fighting each other. This mosaic can be found at the Galleria Borghese in Rome.
The most notable structure in Rome that used arches was the Roman aqueduct systems, which were used to bring fresh water to cities throughout the empire. Roman arches were also used to construct the famous Roman Colosseum, where many gladiators and Roman events were held to entertain citizens. Arches in the Roman style have been built in many cities around the world, most notably in the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. The Pantheon is of Roman style because it has a dome, columns, and Roman sculptures. The Pantheon can be found in Rome, Italy.
The White House is of Roman style because it has a dome. The White House can be found in Washington, D.C. St. Peter's Basilica is of Roman style because it has a dome, columns, and Roman sculptures. It can be found in Vatican City. The First and Second World Wars are usually referred to as World War Roman numeral I and World War Roman numeral II. Monarchs are usually numbered in Roman numerals. For example, King Edward, Roman numeral VII of England, and King Louis, Roman numeral XIV of France. Popes are also numbered in Roman numerals. For example, Pope John Paul, Roman numeral II, and Pope Benedict, Roman numeral XVI.
Many ancient Roman structures like the Pantheon, the Colosseum, and the Roman Forum are still standing today thanks to the development of Roman cement and concrete. The Romans built the most sophisticated system of roads the ancient world had ever seen. These Roman roads, many of which are still in use today, were constructed with a combination of dirt, gravel, and bricks made from granite or hardened volcanic lava. Roman engineers adhered to strict standards when designing their highways, creating narrow, straight roads that curved to allow for water drainage. 5 languages derived from Latin are Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. Words of Latin origin similar in several languages. For example, amor, 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 amor. This is Latin, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, and French. In English, it means love. Example number 2. Vida, vida, vie, vida, vida, viata. This is Latin, Italian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Romanian. In English, it means life. Number 3. Aqua, agua, agua, agua. This is Latin, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese. In English, it means water.
The end.